Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another SQL question. Today we will be tackling this question. Using a CTE, find the top 3 most rented movies by month. So, as always, I have returned the output to give you all a visual of what we should be ideally looking at when we query this question. So we should first have the title, the number of rentals, the month, and the rank. Now, in order to do that, we can use a CTE, which is a common table expression. And we know that when we are using a CTE, we always have to begin with a with statement. Then we can name our CTE. In this case, we'll name it movie rank. Then we need the as clause. And then we need parentheses. And now we can begin selecting our columns. Before we select our columns, it's important that we start from the from statement because that is where SQL begins its execution. It actually executes from the from statement. So we will execute and we will type from film. And we need to answer this question, we need an inventory table. So join inventory on inventory dot film ID, which is the foreign key, equals film dot film ID, which is the primary key. We need to continue joining because we need the number of rentals. So in order to get the number of rentals, we need to join to the rental table. So join rental on rental dot inventory ID, which is the foreign key in this table, to the inventory dot inventory ID, which is the primary key in that table. So if we do a select star, for example, this query should return all the columns in each of these tables if joined correctly. This is not recommended because it obviously does not optimize for functionality. That's why it took a little time. But you can see that we have all the columns. So our join is correct. Now we can look at what we needed to return. So we wanted the title. We wanted the month. So how do we get the month? In order to get the month, we have to use a keyword called extract month from the rental date. And we will use an alias called month. Then we also want the number of rentals. We can use a count star for that as number of rentals. And then we also wanted the rank. So this could be a little tricky. So let's say we just wanted to use the rank function and then a window using over, and then we will partition by the extract month from rental dates. And let's say we will order by count star. And that should make sense because we want to order by the number of rentals because we want the top most rented movies. Let's put a RK there. And let's go ahead and run our query within the CTE. Oh, and it says that the title needs to appear in the group by. Group by. Okay, so let's see. We have the month, February, number of rentals. Let's see if we have our ideal output. Rank is 1, and then rank goes to 155, and then 1 again. So that doesn't make much sense, right? So you have to really, if you forget what dense rank, row number mean, it's okay. I personally don't have them also memorized, but I just test them and look at my output to see if it is returning what I would like. So let's try dense rank. Okay, so you have month, number of rentals, and you have the ranking. Let's see, we scroll. Should say 2, perfect. So you can see that for the month of February, we have 2 rentals, or we have 1 rental, and that is rank number 1. And then we have 2 rentals, and that is rank number 2. So this is working. And then when it goes to the next month, these months are not, this is a database, this is a little dirty database, so it doesn't have March. But when it goes to the next month, it resets. So you only want the top 3 most. So in order to do that, we will leave our CTE and then we will write select title, comma month, number of rentals, rank from movie rank, where rank in either 1, 2, or 3, and we will order by the month, so it goes in order, and number of rentals. So we know that when we have a CTE, we need to run the entire thing. And this did not work. So there must have been an error here. So I spelled the order by wrong. All right, so let's rerun it. And there you have it. The ranking goes in order. Keep scrolling. Rank 1, rank 2. And then it resets. The reason it doesn't have rank 3 is because there's only a number of 2 rentals in this given month. If there was number of 3 rentals, then this number would, there would be a 3 here, but there's only 2 distinct number of rentals in February, 1 and 2. So there's only 2 rankings. All right, so I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.